Hello guys, this is the solution for pair programming. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and like this video. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, so first understand the problem first. So there is a total n plus m minutes. Okay, and monocarp and polycarp, but there are two people which are working on the same file. Okay, and at each minute one of them makes some changes to the file. Okay, and before that k lines were already written. Okay, so these are given, and monocarp has worked a total of n minutes. Okay, and in the n minutes he has done a1 a2 and up to an operations. Okay, and each operation is defined as, if ai equal to 0, then it means he adds a new line. If ai equal to 0, it means he adds a new line to the end of the file. Okay, and if ai greater than 0, then he changes the line number with ai. Okay, so this is the second operation. Sorry, this is if ai is greater than 0, this is the second type of operation, and the first type is, if ai is equal to 0, then he adds a line at the end of the file, and if ai is greater than 0, then he changes the line with number ai. Okay, and similarly for b also, polycarp also works for m minutes. B1 to bm it is his operations, and each jth operation, if it is 0, then he adds a new line at the end of the file, and if it is greater than 0, then he changes the line with the line number bj. Okay, so it is, if a number is greater than the 0, then the line must exist. Okay, so this condition we come to know from this problem. Okay, so what we need to do, for each test case we need to print the correct common sequence of monocarp and polycarp actions. Okay, any correct operation or common sequence we can print, correct common sequence. Okay, any correct common sequence we can print, mind it. Okay, so there can be multiple correct common sequence, so we can print any of among them. This will give us the solution. So these are the ranges of the value. So let's check out this example. So in this case, first value is k, then n and m. Okay, first k is 3, so initially there are 3 lines, and n operations for polycarp, and monocarp 2 operations, and polycarp 2 operations. For monocarp the operations are 2 and 0, and for polycarp the operations are 0 and 5. So we can, since initially there are 3 lines, so monocarp can edit the second line, then and then he can add another line. Okay, and similarly for polycarp, now line becomes 4. The 4 lines, total number of line becomes 4 after monocarp's operation. Then polycarp will also add one more line, then 5 lines total. There are 5 lines now, and since there are total 5 lines, then polycarp can edit the 5th line. So this condition is true. Now let's check this one. There are 5 lines. Monocarp has to edit the 8th line, so only there are 5 lines there. Okay, so we can't edit the 8th line. So even if we allow the polycarp's operation, then there becomes 6 lines. Still there are not 8 lines. So this condition will give -1. No correct sequence is possible for this condition. Okay, so in this case we will print -1. So let's check out the code now. Hope you have understood the example and what the problem statement. If you haven't, just rewind the video and watch one more time. Okay, so I have already written the solution. Let's check out the solution. Okay, so this is the solution. First we take in input of t, then we have one more input because the input has an extra line over here. So for that we have added one more input. Then we range tests, then we iterate for each test case. If we enter the value of k, n, m, n, then we enter the value of array a, an, and array am. Okay, for monocarp and polycarp. Then we make the indices of I and j as 0, and we declare a array list as solution array. Now we start from ith index and we iterate. We make while as true. Okay, So when both condition fails, then only we'll break out of the loop. Okay, hope you understand this. Now let's see what we want to do. We will iterate from I. If we'll check if I is less than n. Okay, if I is less than n, and if ai is less than or equal to k, then only we'll get enter this condition. Okay, similarly we'll check this condition also. This condition also will check. What is this condition? If j is less than m and am of j is less than equal to k, okay, then only we'll enter this condition. And what we are doing over here, we are checking if the value is equal to 0, then we are incrementing the value of k. Okay, total number of lines. K represents the total number of lines, and we are appending it to the solution array. Now we are incrementing the value of I, since that index has already been visited. Similarly, we are doing for this j also, jn and am, the polycarp array, the polycarp actions. An is monocarp action and am is polycarp actions. So similarly we do for polycarp also, and then once any of this condition fails, then we will break out of the loop. Then we check one more time if I and j both completes, both reaches till the end of the array or not. Okay, if both reaches the end of the array, then it is fine, otherwise it's a wrong condition. Okay, means no sequence is possible, no correct sequence is possible. So in that case we'll make solution equal to -1, and then we'll simply print the solution. So this is the solution, guys. Thank you, hope you understand. Okay, and we have added this extra print statement to go to the next line, and this one more input statement, since here one extra line is given after each test case, so we have added this extra input condition. So you can convert it in any language like C, C++, Java, Python, but this is Python code, so you can convert it any language of your requirement. So yeah, that's it, guys. And the playlist might have appeared in front of you, my linked list playlist and pattern in Python C playlist. So if you want, you can check out those. Check out those after the contest. I think it will be better. Thank you, guys. Have a good day, and do subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.